this is a great example of some drought tolerant annuals you can put together, or you can plant them on their own. Okay, so I already have some salvia planted here. This is also a hummingbird magnet. Then we have some angelonia. We also have a straw flower. So we have 2 straw flowers here. I always like to add some herbs into my container. So here's some sage that is also drought tolerant. I'm gonna add a few more things to this container. One's gonna be verbena, very drought tolerant. Kind of has this wide spreading growth. It will hang down a little bit more. So I'm gonna place that there. And then I love this Whimsy Silver. To add that. It has a really nice height in comparison to the angelonia. And I'm also gonna add this beautiful purple, white, and green variegated sage. I know I have sage there, but another option that you could put in here is rosemary. That is another drought tolerant plant. And last, I'm going to add some moss rose. It drapes down nicely, and it will develop little flowers as it grows. I like to plant my pots with a lot of annuals at this time of year, so it's nice and full right away. Something seems like it's taking over, you can take one of the plants out, and one of the other plants can fill in that spot. And you can take that extra plant and put it in a new pot.